Have you missed getting together with fellow crafters?
Are you looking for some crafty fun this summer?
Introducing an all-new crafting retreat as you have never seen before.
A full day of interactive virtual card making workshops with some of your favorite all-new educators.
Bridget Casey,
Natasha Davies,
Amy Hill,
Colleen Balija,
Nanette Madero,
Rosie Newstetter.
enjoy fun crafting tutorials,
Exclusive access to new, never-before-seen products,
exciting giveaways,
and a special guest appearance.
rejuvenate your creativity with tons of inspiration and build relationships with crafters just like you.
with our specially curated Craft Your Life kit.
And guidance of talented AECP educators.
You will have a blast creating beautiful things in your craft room.
Our Ultinew Craft Your Life virtual retreat will be held on August 7, 2021. Register now by clicking on the link in the description or visiting our website www.ultinew.com. We can't wait to see you there.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!